Understanding the phrase, be offside, in English. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into a commonly used phrase in English, be offside. Whether you're a football fan or not, you might have heard this term used in various contexts. Stick with us as we explore what it means and how you can use it in everyday conversation. The term, offside, originates from sports, particularly football, soccer. It's a rule that a player cannot be in the opponent's half of the field near the goal line without the ball being there as well. But how did this sports term find its way into regular English? Let's find out. Outside the football pitch, to be offside means to be in a position that is not allowed or is considered unfair or inappropriate in a social situation. It's like being where you're not supposed to be, metaphorically. This phrase can be used in professional and personal contexts. To get a better grasp, let's look at some examples. When he made a joke about her work, he was really offside. I felt he was offside when he started criticizing our host's decoration choices. And that's a wrap on Be Offside. Next time you hear this phrase, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it correctly. We hope this video has cleared up any confusion and added a new expression to your English repertoire. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.